Hey Stunning Fam, this is Sarah back with another DIY video. Our team bought a CNC routing machine about 6 months ago to start creating our own wood signs for events and personal use. The machine needed a table to sit on during use, so this is part 1 of building that table. In 2 weeks, we will post assembling the machine and creating the rest of the table, including a sound barrier. The machine can be pretty loud during use. The first step was cutting all of the wood. We used 2x4s to cut the following measurements: 4 6-foot pieces, 10 45-inch pieces, 6 30-inch pieces, and 4 21.5-inch pieces. Next, we Craig jigged the ends of all of the 2x4s and started to assemble. The assembly started with putting 2 45-inch pieces and 2 6-foot pieces together to start creating the base. Next, we put the 21.5-inch pieces evenly apart on one side of the base. Then we installed 3 more of the 45-inch pieces. We are a lifestyle channel that features a variety of content from cooking to unboxing to anything that can be a DIY style project. We would really love it if you would like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you will be notified when we post another video. After the base was completed, we repeated the same process again. Following this, we used scrap 1/2 inch plywood to install the wheels on the base. We used MDF plywood to cover up the base. Next, we used a jigsaw and a rip cut circular saw guide to cut off any extra plywood. After this, we used a multi-tool for inserting the 2x4 braces, which will hold the top of the table. We added extra braces to make the top stronger. We hope that you enjoyed this video, and we will see you next week for part 2 of this video series. Thanks for stopping by, and we hope that you have a great rest of your week.